how to connect Google Sites to Google Domain. If you would like to connect Google Sites to Google Domain, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to open up your browser and go inside your site editing page of Google Sites right here. Now, suppose this site doesn't have a domain set up and I would like to set up the domain of it. It's quite simple actually. All I have to do is just simply click on the gear icon or the settings icon that you can see from the top right hand side. And from there, you can see a couple of options right here where you have to simply go to this option that says custom domains. Now from custom domains, all you have to do is simply go to this option that says start setup. Now you simply have to paste your Google domain site that you have purchased or whatever you have here. And you also have to verify the domain or the ownership. And once you've verified with the name service, your Google domain will be successfully linked to your Google site. So I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial. And as always, see you soon in our next video.